Hello everyone, so this is the second video and to show the works of how to connect and bypass the factory amplifier in Hyundai i40 2012, which can be applied for the Hyundai i40 generation, but also we would be able to use this one to apply the process to any cars that have factory amplifier and you need to bypass it by any reason, like a faulty amplifier, or you cannot have the wiring harness for the amplifier, or if you want simply upgrade the new system. But we will talk about the upgrade new system option set up later on with the other cars. In this case, we just want to show about how to bypass. So at first, come back from the first step, you can see that this is the wiring harness that plug into the car, and we will cover this one later. Okay, we already chopped all of those 4-channel speaker output from the wiring, and then we directly connect this 4-channel into those speaker lines and run from here through this, you see that, into that, okay, down there, and you see it under here, and at the end it will run under here, cable tie and up, and then run along the car and along this cable along here, okay, and it will have another cover back here, you know that this car has, and then it come into the back, into the bottom of the passenger seat, which the work already done over here. And you can see that that is the factory amplifier cable, and that is 2 cable from there, one big, one small. We already wire them and connect, and we already get the parts connected over here. So let's have a look here. This one is small one. It has, in this car, it has front tweeter, front speaker, and rear speakers, so 6 of them from here. Okay, so 6 speaker and tweeter from this connector. And in this one, it actually has the subwoofer. It can be up to 2 subwoofer, but in this car it has only 1 subwoofer, and they put it into the subwoofer location 1 in this car on the right side at the boot area. So what we have done is, after you remove the factory amp over here for easy work, you will locate those cable over here, and you just peel off the cover, and you will see all the speaker lines. How to identify them, we put down in the link at the back of this video, more instruction of the diagram and how to identify them, but you will find it as each speaker line will twist together. So that's the identification to know which speaker line, and you need to connect positive and negative to the right wire. The same thing for the subwoofer over here, okay. And after this, protect them like this and join them and put it in. So how we actually connect all speaker and subwoofer in this car, basically many people say, oh, don't do that, okay, but we already tested, okay, for a good budget, for a good budget and for a good solution that you don't really need an too awesome and expensive system. You just to need a good sound output directly from those one. Then just connect the front tweeter and front driver into the front, and the rear one you will divide into 2. One is going for 2 speakers at the rear, and one is going to the subwoofer. It sounds a bit of a weird solution to many people, but actually that is the practical solution for anyone who want to bypass the factory amplifier with a low budget, and you still have a good sound. As I say, it's good sound. It's not like you are using a $1,000 system or a few $1,000 system, but it definitely is good sound return. Okay, so If you want to know more of that, click at the back of this video link, and or even give us a question. Okay, we will have, but actually we have all of them there, diagram and solution, and help you to bypass any amplifier in any car. Now the next step is that we put this on back in here and put the original amplifier frame back here, screw it back and leave it like that. Done. That is for the Hyundai i40, but as I say, we can use this process to work in other cars, and believe it or not, with this way we can save a lot of money if you are a low budget and you still want to keep system going, you know, looking like standard in the car. So far, that's about how we actually do the job to bypass the system in the Hyundai i40 2012. And thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.